Hello everyone, welcome to the Texas Motorplex. We're here for the third annual Funny Car Chaos Classic. Over my shoulder is the fabled racing surface at the Texas Motorplex. 1 year ago today, there was 60 funny cars being assembled for the iconic picture that everyone has seen, and if you've seen it, then you want it. After that, the race was run, and we had 4 champions to come out of that event, and the season progressed with Kirk Williams laying claim to his first ever title in the Funny Car Chaos Championship Tour with a dominant performance with 6 wins in 7 final rounds. At the finals, Kirk Williams finally got the monkey off of his back with a win at the Texas Motorplex. There are a lot of racers here today that are hoping to make sure that Kirk Williams doesn't get another win here at the Texas Motorplex. I'm talking about people like Julie Natus, talking about Jade Cook, talking about Joey Haas and Kevin Kinsley, and many, many more are here, and you're going to get a chance to hear from some of those racers, and we're glad that you've chosen to be a part of all things chaos, and we want to welcome you again to Countdown to Chaos.
The defending, the reigning, the champion of Funny Car Chaos coming into this event, the classic at the Texas Motorplex, is Kirk Williams. And Kirk Williams has definitely got to feel the pressure as he's folding his parachute that everybody wants to beat him. Do you feel it, Kurt?
Oh yeah. You know, when you come here with the number 1 on you, you got the target on your back. So, and that's fine. That's what this is all about. And this is going to be a tough road to hoe here with these fuel cars and everybody else that stepped up. And you know, over the wintertime, a lot of combinations have gotten better. So we're looking forward to it.
In other news, out here in the pits at the Classic, the defending champion of the A field, Lyle Greenberg in the Cone Hunter. Well, he had a few rods escape bullet number 1. He put bullet number 2 in. Q1 was solid.
Yeah, it was. We put that second bullet in, which is a duplicate of the first bullet, other than the fact that it had all the rods in the right places. And put that one in, took a stab at the tune-up. The air was pretty good. And yeah, we went 371 at 204 miles an hour, career best run for us. We're stoked.
Lyle and Funny Car Chaos continues at the Classic.